What's going on, YouTube? I'm doing this video because honestly, I don't appreciate my friends falling asleep at the first Heat game of this season. So they're passed out. I'm gonna give them a little wake up. Shut up.
Stop it.
Hey, come here. Stop it. Hey. What? Fuck. Hey.
What's up?
Scarlett's crazy. Crazy ass. Alright, here we go.
The regular season, an home opener for the Miami Heat. As we get set to start the third quarter, they lead at 51-45. Let's listen to both coaches.
Oh my god, dude, what the fuck, man?
Oh man, you guys gotta see that shit.
That scared the fucking shit out of me, dude.
Yo, what the fuck? The heat's on. Why y'all passed out?
It's fucking hot as fuck, dude. No, it is hot as fuck.
Oh my god. Oh man.
My neck hurts, man.
Well, we can only hope that these two teams start a
That was an accomplishment right there.